Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm getting a fire pit put together out here. I'm gonna do a quick video on it. I've got most everything already cut out. It's just a matter of putting stuff together now. So this video won't be very long. But this is just the top ring I'm getting laid out, and then the side panels going on it. This is the 36-inch fire pit. This one doesn't have a grill, but they normally have a grill on them. And got all those on, getting it welded up. It's upside down right now. Then the top ring that goes around it. I usually try to put it on while it's upside down, but you can do it while it's upright like this too. I'm just getting the legs put on. I've got it sitting on cinder blocks and some 2x4s. Then use little spacers to kind of level it out. And that'll pretty much do it on this one. I got to get it painted and everything. It'll just have a coal rack sitting inside of it, but it don't have a food grate on top of it. And that's it after it's done. I got some other ones done at the same time. I was just doing a video on this one. But it's a 36-inch one. That's a 24-inch. Another of those Razorback fire pits. Then I also got that one done. It's the same 36-inch, but with a Santa Maria setup. If you're looking for a fire pit, a grill, a barbecue pit, smoker, anything, I'll have my email in the description box. You can shoot me an email. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.